cool, isn't it?
Yeah, I just got freaked out.
I'm glad we got to go on it.
Off we go on the back wheel. We wheelie in. We drop the front wheel. We open the
Because
door.
I've now ticked my bucket list. I've gone on I've ridden a monster truck in my lifetime.
I hope it don't get back on it again. I hope it don't go back on it again. I want a monster truck.
You should record that. Record that one. Say that again. For Daddy. Yeah, Daddy needs to record that. I don't want to go back on it again. I might actually throw up. I like that.
A back wheel. The world famous monopike is going to come out here today. There's just 2 guys in the world doing this, and we're going to do it again here today. That's what we're doing. Because there's Tony Bow in Spain, myself in the UK, and I'm teaching a young lad called Jack Dance to ride the